The history of the Transformers dates back to about the year 1984, but the brand itself was born out of something that was both underrated and groundbreaking. In March of 1982, toy robots with alternate modes based on realistic present-day vehicles that many Transformers are known for began to appear as part of the car robot subline for
Diaclone Rescue Haiyu.
Hello Spectacular people, this is SFC Spectacular, your NCOIC for all things entertaining on this channel. And I'm here to unbox Masterpiece Transformer MP42 Cordon. And since unboxing videos are rather boring and awkward here on this channel, I try to fill the void with meaningful and entertaining topics related to the world of the Transformers. No more waiting. Let's get started. Here we have Masterpiece Transformers Autobot MP42 Cordon. So why did Takara make this Diaclone bot a modern day masterpiece? For the answer to that, we have to look to the legacy of Diaclone. And that brings us to our Transformers Toy Talk of the Day, unboxing the legacy of Diaclone. Diaclone was one of two Takara toy lines from which the earliest Generation 1 Transformers toys came. Diaclone has proven perhaps the most enduring of all the pre-Transformers brands. The Diaclone toy line was first introduced in 1980 with a focus on piloted robots that could transform into various abstract sci-fi vehicles, bases, and creatures. In March of 1982, toys with alternate modes based on realistic present-day vehicles that many Transformers are known for today began to appear as part of the car robot subline. Once Transformers proved to be an unparalleled success, plans for the Diaclone line were scrapped, and in its place, Transformers began to roll out. Many fans of the Transformers brand will remember that the first Diaclone car was replaced with Sunstreaker for release in America. That car was Car Robo No. 1, Countach LP500S. This red deco was later given its own identity as the Autobot Spin Out. The second figure in the Car Robo line was number 2, One Box Cherry Vanette. The Diaclone black deco was changed to red for release as Ironhide. Which brings us to Car Robot number 3. The number 3 Countach Patrol car type was not chosen for release as a Transformer during the conversion to G1, but he is now used as inspiration for Cordon. Fresh out of his packing, you can see his phenomenal paint job of white and black along with his chrome engines as he bears the markings of the Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department. His front and rear license plates read CR03 in reference to his Diaclone progenitors placed as the number 3 Car Robo. Cordon exists in several Transformers toy lines. As you can see here, he, Spin Out, and the number 2 One Box Cherry Vanette lend greatly to the lore and legacy of our beloved Transformers. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, and if you did, consider watching more videos on this channel. If we can get this video to 50 likes, I'll do a full history of the Diaclone brand. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my full review of Masterpiece Transformer MP42 Cordon. In the meantime, check out this video that YouTube recommends. And remember, Spectacular people, if you can't be good at it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.